Kas oskad inglise keeles moodustada kaudset küsimust? Õpilased kipuvad selle moodustamisel tihti eksima, aga tegelikult pole siin midagi keerulist. Jäta meelde, et kaudne küsimus on sisult sarnane jutustava lausega. Alus ehk tegija tuleb alati enne öeldist ehk tegusõna ning abitegusõna do, does või did kaudses küsimuses ei ole. Kohe selgitan sulle, kuidas seda teha. Võtame näiteks 5 küsimust. When does the film begin? Where are the boys playing football? Why was Sally crying in the bathroom? How fast did you write the poem? Can penguins fly? Kaudse küsimuse moodustamiseks paned kõigepealt paika saatelause. Näiteks Tom asks me, Susan wants to know, I'd like to know, could you please tell me või I wonder. Seejärel lisad küsisõna, näiteks when. Nüüd tõmbad mõttes vahele punase joone ja jälgid, et edasine oleks nagu jutustav lause. See tähendab, peale küsisõna tuleb kohe alus, siis öeldis ja seejärel vajaduse korral sihitis või määrus. Näiteks Tom asks me when the film begins. Tom asks me when the film begins. Susan wants to know where the boys are playing football. Susan wants to know where the boys are playing football. I'd like to know why Sally was crying in the bathroom. I'd like to know why Sally was crying in the bathroom. Could you please tell me how fast he wrote the poem? Could you please tell me how fast he wrote the poem? I wonder whether penguins can fly. I wonder if penguins can fly. Vaatame, mis juhtub juba käsitletud küsimustega, kui saatelause on minevikus. Näiteks Tom asked me. Tom asked me when the film began. Susan wanted to know where the boys were playing football. I wanted to know why Sally had been crying in the bathroom. I asked someone to tell me how fast he had written the poem. I wondered if penguins could fly. Lihtne, eks?